Hello everyone, I'm Bob Martin and welcome to Cleaning Tips, Tricks, and Testimonials brought to you by Services Etcetera Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning. Proudly serving Albrightsville, Northeast Pennsylvania, the Pocono Mountains, and surrounding communities since 1990. In our first video, I introduced my company by letting the viewers know that in addition to tips and tricks for spot cleaning anything from carpet and upholstery to laminate or resilient flooring, every now and then we may toot our own horn a bit. Since I've run a couple of self-help spot cleaning videos, I would like to take the time to let you know a little bit more about how to choose the best cleaning company, one that will meet or exceed your expectations. How to find the true professional, one who wants to build lasting friendships, establish your trust, and is not just interested in making one sale. Narrowing down the field. First, consult your warranty documents, whether it's upholstery or for carpets. The information provided by the manufacturer not only includes specific instructions for approved cleaning methods, but most warranties now specify the certifications your cleaning company should possess. Look for an IICRC or the Clean Trust certified firm when doing your research. Companies bearing these certifications are required to update their training regularly, adhere to a code of ethics, and are the preferred choice of the manufacturer and warranty company to handle your warranty claims. Ask your prospects, where are they located, if they are a franchise or chain operation. Shopping locally within 20 to 40 miles will provide you with a more accurate picture on references and better your chances at finding someone who wants a relationship rather than just another sale. Remember, the handsome and knowledgeable young serviceman in the TV commercial is not the person showing up at your door. Ask about a guarantee. A reputable business either offers one with conditions or they won't offer one at all. Beware of the guy who promises the world, because there is no magic wand, and a true professional will usually underpromise and try to exceed your expectations. Word of mouth referrals. They're an excellent source of information. Ask a relative, friend, or a colleague. Ask the company you call to provide the references. Maybe they have a customer who had a situation similar to yours. Having worked in the cleaning industry for over 28 years, I maintain a file of report cards, pictures, and other testimonials from my customers. Services Etcetera wants to be your home and business maintenance cleaning company. We get to know our customers and take pride in helping them maintain the cleanliness of their homes and business year after year. Whether it's a worn office carpet that needs some life put back into it, or a prized Persian wool rug that's been handed down through the decades, we enjoy the challenge of helping our customers in their time of need. From your first contact with our office to our service call and departure, we will take ownership of your problem through the entire process. If we feel that for some reason we can't help, we'll do the best we can to get you pointed in the right direction, even if we have to refer you to one of our experienced competitors or someone who specializes in the area of your particular concern. What you can always expect when you call our office is honesty, a courteous and professional answer on what your next step should be, and a free, no-obligation assessment of your needs. So if you're looking for a professional carpet, upholstery, and area rug cleaning company in Pocono Pines, Albrightsville, Jim Thorpe, or surrounding communities in Northeast Pennsylvania, we would love to hear from you. We also offer grout and ceramic tile cleaning and sealing, floor stripping and refinishing, and many other types of janitorial services for your home or business. Services Etcetera has been establishing relationships throughout the area since 1990, and we take pride in a 95% repeat and referral customer base. Our phone number is 570-459-0429, or just look us up at nepacarpetcleaning.com. We would like to hear from you, so send us your questions and we can try to address your problems. Again, I'm Bob Martin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.